All right, guys, it has been an absolute marathon today. We started off with the roof rafters just finished up. We got all of the tent on, front and back. Got the rest of the house wrap up, just to kind of dry it out. We're gonna have to walk away from this for about 3 weeks, really, so that we can get back to work, real world, make some bucks so we can pay for more materials. That's how it is, right? We got some clearing done around, kind of open it up, knocking down a lot of the maple knees, and then we got this area cleared right here. Be either the little garden or fire area, kind of hangout spot. So I want to leave you guys off at day 10, and we'll see you on the 4th of July weekend, day 11. Stay safe.